IT is dominating the job market everywhere, but this field is so dynamic that due to technology evolution that you have to learn new things every few months. So I will discuss 5 hot jobs in the market which are in demand in Canada and whole North America right now. So I see that trend even going upwards. So I will talk about the different aspects like job titles, how many positions are available, what is the average salary, what is their 10 growth percentage rate, and which companies are hiring in the market. So I will start with the list. So at number 5 we have mobile application developer. Mobile application development is one of the most fastest growing occupation. Okay, as smartphones and tablets continue to change the way we communicate, we do business, we do access news, we do the entertainment, the demand for new and innovation mobile apps is growing at very incredible speed. This increased demand translates to one of the largest IT skills gap over realize. So there are simply more mobile application development job application like skill developers to fill the Google Android and Apple iOS. So the platform will continue to offer the most job opportunities for mobile developers. So how many opportunities we have? Number of open positions in US is somewhere around 900. The number of open positions in Canada is somewhere around 800. And what kind of titles they are hiring? They are hiring iOS developer, Android developer, lead mobile application developer, developer mobile, full stack mobile application developer, front end UI web, and mobile application development lead. And what is the average salary? Their average salary is ranging from $60,000 to $120,000. And I see the 10-year growth percentage rate as per LinkedIn is 26%. What companies are hiring? Loblaws, Entity Data, Square, Compass Labs, Paytm Labs, CBC Radio, Transit, Canadian Red Cross, and many more companies. At number 4, we have Salesforce. Salesforce come into limelight by working on the concept of providing users with enterprise level application. So in 1999, they came into existence. Salesforce.com brings you the first.com to challenge the rivals. Worldwide, Salesforce is considered to be the leading CRM application, while Force.com is regarded as the leading cloud platform. Salesforce will move into demand side platform over the next 12 months. In marketing, cloud will grow twice as fast next year it did this year. So Salesforce Lightning will keep on becoming more stable, faster, and more widely used. Salesforce Command in worldwide market has 24.4 in CRM segment. Salesforce registered as impressive growth of 32.5 in the revenue between 2013 and 2019. Number of open positions in US I see 927. Number of open positions in Canada I see somewhere around 680. And what kind of titles they are hiring? They are hiring enterprise account executive, Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, business analyst, Salesforce consultant, solution engineer, and technical consulting. So there are total 23 certification in Salesforce, which will cost you from $250 Canadian dollar to $1,800 Canadian dollar. And what kind of average salaries we are looking? We are looking somewhere around from 95,000 to 250K. What companies are hiring for Salesforce? Salesforce itself, Thales, Rogers, Bell, Air Canada, Velocity, Powersmith, EQS, PagerDuty, Allied Driving, and Q4. At number 3, we have full stack developer. Okay, so workforce demand for Java developers will rise along with the technology advancement and the growing ubiquity of software. For example, rapid adoption of internet technologies is driving demand for web application and software development who can build secure and scalable web applications. Likewise, as the proliferation of computer system to continue and software spreads into new industries, smart devices, the need of computer system that power these initiatives will create jobs for software engineers. So what kind of open positions we look? In US we have 11,300 open positions, while in Canada we have 2,800 open positions. So what kind of titles they are hiring? Full stack developer, senior software engineer, software development engineer, full stack Java and React developer, MERN developer, front end developer, and Java technical lead. And on an average, the certification cost for Java is from $150 to $200. What companies are hiring for Java? In Canada, CGI, Morgan Stanley, PwC, RBC, TD, Citibank, BMO Bank, Scotia, Capco, PayPal, and Procom, and many more. At number 2, we have cloud and DevOps developers. So today we can connect everything digitally in cloud computing. It provides a whole new world of jobs and application and services and a platform between 2018 and 2021 worldwide, spreading on public cloud services to grow to 73% from 160 billion to 277 billion market. We can see the future of cloud computing as a combination of cloud-based software products, on-premises compute, which will help to bridge IT solutions. So cloud computing is extremely cost effective and companies can use it for their growth. Security will remain in top concern of IT resources and hiring managers as the frequency, so scope and complexity of cyber attacks continues to escalate year after year. Executive report actively seeking professional with information security skills, but finding it difficult to locate good talent. So that indicates that there incredible opportunity for technology professional to advance their cloud security skills and certifications. So what kind of titles they are hiring? They are looking for cloud platform specialists, they are looking for cloud engineers, cloud architect, AWS engineers, DevOps lead consultant, cloud DevOps architect, lead cloud and DevOps engineer, integration specialist. And what kind of open positions we are looking? So in US we have number of open positions as 4,845, and number of open positions in Canada is showing somewhere around 2,873. Now what is average salary we are looking? We are looking somewhere around from 80,000 to 200,000. And what is their 10-year growth percentage? That is 78%, which is much faster than an average. And what is their on an average certification for the cloud? So there are different certification like AWS, Azure or GCP. So their certification will cost you somewhere around from $150 to $200. What companies are hiring in Canada and US? Amazon, Google, RBC, KPMG, MasterCard, Manulife, Air Canada, BMO, Scotiabank, Onica, Bell and many more. So you have a growth opportunity over there. So I would definitely recommend you to focus on cloud and DevOps technologies. So at the end, last but not the least, the machine learning and the data science. So we all know that data will be the new oil. World today is the data driven and the future of data science is growing. When you account for the earth entire population, the average person is expecting to generate 1.7 megabytes of data per second. But by the end of 2020, as an organization will increasingly realize to see the importance, the value of data. Their need for right expertise has also increased. Data scientists role has grown more than 600% since 2012, according to an analysis on LinkedIn. So the future data scientists can tackle the most business critical and complex challenges that will help their businesses make revolutionary leaps forward. 80% of the companies are looking to hire data scientists by 2022. 65% of business believe AI put them past the competition. 20% believe AI helped them slightly edge out competitors. 28% believe that AI helped them widen and lead over competitors, and 9% believe that AI helped them leap from competition entirely. So the realization of these advantages has driven the adoption of other AI applications such as machine learning and deep learning, which will be leading the market. Even if you look at every company, they are hiring for all the AI based and machine learning based job roles. So how many open positions in US we see? Right now we only see 1,578 job positions. In Canada, number of open positions are somewhere around 800 to 900. And what kind of titles they are hiring? Data scientists, machine learning engineers, machine learning researchers, data analysts, principal data engineers, machine learning software engineers, machine learning product engineers and senior data engineers. And what kind of average salaries we are looking? The salaries for machine learning is really amazing. Okay, their average salaries are starting from 100,000 and they go up to 280,000. And what is their 10-year growth percentage? Which is 28%, which is much faster than the average. What companies are hiring for? In Canada, we can see that TD Bank, Prodigy, Qualcomm, Oracle, Citibank, Bell, Loblaws, Bombardier, Unilever, Facebook, Air Canada, all these companies are looking to hire the machine learning engineers. So I would definitely recommend you guys to focus on these technologies in coming few months, and you can go for the certifications. Companies in Canada and North America, they really focus on the certification done by the engineers. So I would recommend focus on these technologies, match it with your current profile, and whenever you can make a switch, I would recommend you to rewrite your career story. So keep listening to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we're gonna share us five more different jobs which we can focus on, and I will recommend you to go the next 5 certifications. So thank you guys for watching this video.